Hey everyone, it's Craig with R.E.S.T Auction Co. This is that 30-foot Circle M flatbed trailer. A few things I wanted to point out. Of course, you've got the heavy-duty over-the-wheel drive plates for loading equipment. The thing I really like about this trailer, it's only 32 inches from ground to top of the deck. For you guys like me that are loading stuff with skid loaders, that's a big deal. The owner even said that was one of the reasons he liked this trailer. You can load round bales and you can get another one up on top of it and have plenty of reach to get it with the skid loader. A lot of these trailers sit a little higher than you can do that with the skid loader. So that is a really positive selling point of this trailer. We'll go over the easy fold down ramps here in a second. I did want to point out though, you've seen some abnormal wear on the tires. That issue has been addressed. It was fixed by a trailer company up in South Sioux City, and we do have the paperwork showing that basically one of the axles was out of alignment and that was causing the unnecessary wear on the tires, but we do have the paperwork showing that was addressed.